Are you a bachelor, married or virgin? That's the question that people who join a medical institute in Patna have to answer. Apparently, this is a bid to make them declare their marital status. The irony is that people who formulated this document didn't even realize how offensive the question is.
Bachelor, widower or virgin? Those are the choices available to new hospital employees in Patna. The marriage declaration form is applicable for hospital employees and freshly recruited doctors and nursing staff. Women employees, apart from declaring status regarding their virginity, have also been asked to provide details on whether they are married to a person who has other wives or not. Once confronted, the Patna Institute officials scurried for a defense.
एम्स न्यू दिल्ली के रूल्स में भी वही चीज़ है, सेम टू सेम फॉर्म यहाँ है। रूल तो रूल है, सबके लिए बराबर है और इसका लोग अलग मतलब निकाल रहे हैं, मीन मेक निकाल रहे हैं, लेकिन इसमें उसकी मतलब ये होती है कि आप अनमैरिड हैं या मैरिड।
So it seems, for the institute, unmarried and virgin status can be used interchangeably.
Use in the choice of words as virgin should not be used in the first place. I take it as I take it as a violation of the right to privacy and violation of human rights, and I think this kind of thing is not correct, and I am to take up this issue in the next Board of Governors meeting.
किसी को हक नहीं है, किसी को ये अधिकार नहीं है कि निजता से संबंधित सवाल किसी से पूछा जाए और डिक्लेयर करने के लिए उसे बाधित किया जाए। ये गलत, बिल्कुल कॉग्निजेंस लेगा और इस पे सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी और उसको देखा जाएगा।
The next generation doctors are facing medieval mentality. We ask, should any institute be allowed to ask questions which are downright invasive? With Rohit Kumar Singh in Patna, Bureau Report, India Today.
And now Bihar's health minister has come out with a bizarre clarification on this offensive form. Believe it or not, the health minister Mangal Pandey says that by virginity, the form meant to ask whether the applicant was unmarried.
और वर्जिन शब्द का डिक्शनरी में मैंने अर्थ देखा है, उसका अर्थ है कन्या, कुंवारी, पुण्य भूमि। तो ये सब जो ऐसे शब्द हैं, ये तो कोई आपत्तिजनक शब्द मुझे नहीं लगते।
My colleague Rohit Singh, in fact, is joining us live from Patna. The health minister there only underlining how ignorant people are about the problematic interchangeability of virginity and women being unmarried.
Well, absolutely. It appears like the minister as well as the authorities at IGIMS are not aware of this, the word or the exact meaning of this word, and that is why they tend to be making this kind of a mistake, because the word here used has been virginity, and obviously it's a shameful question that has been posed to women employees and also fresh recruits at IGIMS. And this has created a lot of stir also in the last few hours, and we have also seen that insiders of IGIMS, in fact, one of the member of the governing body, Dr. Sunil Kumar Singh, has also protested and registered his protest, saying that the use of the word was absolutely wrong, and he would be taking up this matter in the next meeting of the general body, and will try to ensure that from next time this word at least is not used. The word could have been used is simply married or unmarried.
All right, for now, thank you very much, Rohit Singh, for joining us on that story.